Yung preparation po natin sa pagpunta po, pagbisita po ng ating mahal na Santo Papa ay more on spiritual muna po, lalo na sa pagdarasal po natin na maging meaningful at saka blessed yung pagdating po niya dito. That is why as the Pope would come as a merciful Father, he would also want us to become merciful. So we must practice everyday works of mercy. Yun ang pa natin, yung preparation po natin sa pagdating ng Santo Papa. Of course, mayroon pong mga preparations na kailangan, lalo na yung mga meetings. We have done a lot of meetings already together with the committees on the preparations, mga committees on particularly yung public safety and security. Together with the police, mayroon na mga initial na mga meetings po. At saka yung mga structures din ng simbahan, of course, yung cathedral natin na ayos para pagpunta ng Santo Papa, of course, it will become presentable para sa pagdating po niya, pagbisita po natin. Because of course, may mga proposals na mayroong gagawin doon. So, kinakailangan matatapos din. At saka, of course, it has been also mentioned about yung Pope Francis Center for the Poor na ginagawa po ngayon. Hopefully, kung matatapos yun, mayroong blessing doon. Yung parang plano o proposals na gagawin doon. Pero wala pang final na itinerary of activities ng Santo Papa. Yung final itinerary activities, it will be announced later in the year, siguro po November or December, para yung full preparations talaga.
Father,